How to write Instagram photo post captions with Jasper AI. So the first step is to sign up on Jasper, and once you've signed up, right here by the left it says templates. Once you click on templates, you can scroll down and you see Instagram photo post captions right here. So just click on that, and once you click on that, right here it says what is your post about. So just type in what your post is about. So let's say, okay, let's say how to manage your time effectively. And then right here it says tone of voice. So just choose any tone of voice you want. You can choose witty, I love witty, or you can choose fun, conversational, friendly, formal, serious, anything that aligns with the results you're trying to get. And then once you filled this and this, you click on generate right here, and then Jasper will generate your Instagram post captions um, for you. Okay, so um, if you want to know how I manage my time so well, it's simple. I use a management technique called procrastination. Okay, that's indeed really okay, but you can generate more captions by clicking right here, and you know Instagram would generate your captions. Sorry, Jasper will generate your Instagram captions, and they are all very great. If you got some value from this video,